Hey everyone, welcome to Works for Tools channel. I'm Eric. Today I got an interesting one for you. It's an O2 Lexus ES 300 with a 3-liter, and it was making a popping noise. When it would make the noise, sometimes it would stall, sometimes it would run a little rough, and then it would start back up either right away or it would take a few seconds of cranking. And it was intermittent. You'd hear this popping noise only at idle, and most of the time it would stall doing it. Looked on Identifix, and that showed that it could be a screw that came out of the intake runner. So let's check it out and see what happens. We took it off because it could lose a screw, so I wanted to make sure that the screw wasn't in there. First, I had a hard time getting it out, but I had to take the intake off to do it. I finally got it out, and then we could see the problem here. The screw did fall out, and it broke everything. Here's the screw. I actually found this laying on the back of the valve. Thank goodness it didn't get started one more time, or that would have been the end of the engine. So that's what happened. This thing broke. We got to get him a new runner assembly and put it back in the intake. I guess at some point, if you couldn't possibly get this out unless you break it, you'd have to get an intake and the runner, maybe used one or something. Anyway, all right, so you saw the old one. Here's the new one. Got it from the dealer. Comes with a little clip on it to hold it in place so you can put it in there, and then you take the clip off and this is going to flip. All right, we'll get it together and fire it up, make sure that it doesn't make noise. Been running for a few minutes now. No popping, no stalling. Doing pretty good. Wild that intake runner can cause that issue. There you have it. Have a great day.